Hey guys, how you doing today? I hope that your holiday season has been wonderful, and I hope this new year is starting out great for you as well. Today, I'm going to show you guys something that came in the mail. I ordered it and it finally came, and I'm pretty excited to show it to you. This is the Esee 4. The blade is made out of 1095. These handles, knife scales are the 3D printed ones. They are super comfortable, great grip. They are nowhere near as rough as they appear in the picture. It's perfect all around. The whole tang goes through, it's a full tang knife. So none of this little, you see like cheaper knives that it'll stop right here at this first screw, and then you got nothing but filler in here, like the whole enclosed handle, You don't know what's under the scales. But you can see here, it's one solid piece. This makes for a really strong steel. It makes it really easy to sharpen too. And get a few stickers. You get some of these little, it's got some survival assistance there. This is your warranty card and things like that. It comes with this really nice plastic sheath. It's heavy duty, definitely quality. It's not Kydex. It's awesome. It comes with this clip here, so you can hook it onto your belt, or if you want to carry it in the waistband, you could flip it around. It comes with the 4 Chicago screws. Put it on whichever way you like. Then you get this little lanyard here down at the bottom, some paracord. I am going to be making whole sheaths for this. This is why I got this knife, because I've had actually quite a few people ask me about this same exact knife. So I'm going to go ahead and start designing a few sheaths for it. So I want you to leave down the comments below what kind of sheath you'd like to see, and maybe that's one I'll build first. I know for a fact I'm gonna build the leather belt loop. I've seen a few of those already, so I'm gonna offer that, where it attaches on the back here just like this clip does. But it's gonna be a piece of leather. I won't do a clip like this because you already have one. So if you want a metal clip, you can inside the waistband or outside the waistband. I'm gonna do like a fold over design. I'm going to do a 2-piece design. I've got a couple of ideas in my head. One of them is, Altoid can survival. This is just if you need mints. There's no survival gear in there, but build maybe like a scout carry with the Altoid can on the outside, something like that. Leave comments below. Let me know what you think. It's a awesome knife so far. I really love it, and I'm excited. I already want to get another one. But I look forward to making the sheaths for it, and I hope you guys look forward to seeing what kind of crazy things I come up with. So don't forget to leave in the comment section below what kind of knife sheath you'd like to see for this knife. Let me know how you like yours if you have one. If you like it, if you hate it, let me know. And always, don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.